Protect your home and save money with a roof that's built to last. In this video, we'll share cost-effective roofing solutions, innovative materials, and smart tips to keep your family safe without breaking the bank. Let's get started. Assess your roofing needs and budget. To begin your roofing project, start by evaluating the current condition of your roof. Look for signs of wear, leaks, or damage that may require immediate repairs. Next, determine your budget for roofing materials and labor, ensuring you have a clear understanding of what you can afford. This step is crucial for making informed decisions throughout the process. Additionally, research local building codes and regulations to ensure your roofing project complies with all necessary standards. By thoroughly assessing your needs and budget, you'll set a solid foundation for a successful and cost-effective roofing solution. Choose the right roofing materials. Selecting the right roofing materials is crucial for both cost-effectiveness and long-term performance. Consider options like asphalt shingles, metal roofing, or rubber roofing, which are known for their affordability and durability. Research the lifespan and maintenance requirements of each material to ensure you make an informed choice. Additionally, prioritize materials that provide good insulation and energy efficiency, as these can help reduce your energy bills over time. By carefully evaluating your options, you can find roofing materials that not only fit your budget but also enhance the overall comfort and value of your home. Plan the roofing design and layout. Planning your roofing design and layout is essential for functionality and aesthetics. Start by creating a detailed plan that includes key elements such as roof pitch, drainage, and ventilation to ensure optimal performance. Utilizing design software can help you visualize your project, or you may choose to consult with a professional for accurate measurements and expert advice. Additionally, consider how the design will complement the overall aesthetics of your home, enhancing its curb appeal. A well-thought-out roofing design not only improves efficiency, but also adds value and character to your property. Gather necessary tools and equipment. Before starting your roofing project, it's crucial to gather all necessary tools and equipment. Essential tools include a sturdy ladder, a roofing nailer, and appropriate safety gear to protect yourself during the process. Make sure you have enough materials on hand, such as shingles and underlayment, to avoid interruptions once you begin. If you don't own specific tools, consider renting them to save costs, while still ensuring you have everything needed for a successful installation. Being well prepared with the right tools will streamline your project and help you achieve a professional finish. Execute the roofing installation process. Executing the roofing installation process requires careful attention to detail and safety. Begin by following all safety protocols to prevent accidents, such as wearing harnesses and using proper ladders. Install roofing materials according to the manufacturer's instructions to ensure optimal performance and longevity. This includes proper alignment, nailing techniques, and sealing methods. As you work, regularly check for any issues, such as misaligned shingles or gaps, to address them promptly. By maintaining a focus on safety and adhering to guidelines, you can achieve a successful installation that protects your home for years to come. Conduct a final inspection and maintenance. After completing your roofing installation, it's essential to conduct a thorough final inspection. Check for any loose shingles, leaks, or other issues that may have arisen during the process. Addressing these concerns promptly will help ensure the roof's integrity. Additionally, schedule regular maintenance checks to prolong the lifespan of your roof, allowing you to catch potential problems early. Keeping a detailed record of any repairs or maintenance performed will be beneficial for future reference, especially if you decide to sell your home. A proactive approach to inspection and maintenance will safeguard your investment for years to come. If you liked this video, be sure to check out our video titled Roofing Ventilation, Trends, Challenges, and Solutions, which is linked here on the top of the screen. If you found this information helpful, please subscribe, like, and share this video for more home improvement tips. Thank you for watching. Protect